Okay, let's go ahead and start your homework for tonight then, and this is going to be problem number 3. It says compare the graph of the function with the graph of f of x equals x. So number 3, g of x equals negative 2x plus 6. What is happening to this? The regular parent function of f of x equals x looks just like this. So what we did is we have a negative out front of it, so the negative is going to reflect it, and now it's going to be reflected over the x-axis, which means everything is swapping. So now we have a negative slope. That's all that's happening there, the negative m. The 2 is going from a slope of having a 1 to having a slope of 2, so that means it's a stretch of 2, and the plus 6 is going up 6 units. Okay? Same exact concept except for number 4. You need to be very, very, very careful because we are swapping the positions. So this 2 should probably go down here at the end. So go ahead and rewrite this and make this negative 3/7 x plus 5 squared, and then tack on the 2 at the bottom because the 2 is actually moving this thing up. And a lot of times my students do something with this right here, and that is not what you should be doing. So from left to right, the negative right there is going to be on the outside. So this is going to be reflected over the x-axis again. Then you have this 3/7. This 3/7, is this a fraction between 0 and 1? And the answer to that is yes, it is. So therefore, this is a compress of 3/7. So is this a travel mug or is this a cereal bowl? If you're saying cereal bowl, you are right. It's getting shorter and fatter. Okay? What does the plus 5 do? The plus 5 is going to make this thing go to the left 5 units, and then the plus 2 at the end is going to make this thing go up 2 units. Okay? Then, for the back page of this, A through B, A and B, letter A is saying to state the parent function. So the very first thing you're going to do is find the parent function of this thing. So the parent function is going to be the square root of x. So then you're going to say part B, describe the transformation. Well, the negative first is going to be a reflection over the x-axis. The 1/2 is a fraction between 0 and 1, so it's a compress of 1/2. The plus 3 is inside the parent function, so therefore it's going to go to the left 3 units. And then the minus 1 is on the outside, so it's doing exactly what we think, which is going to go down 1 unit. Okay? Now, this one right here is very similar to what we did before. Whenever I say that, I'm talking about the 6. The 6 needs to be moved so that your brain understands that. So that's g of x is equal to negative x plus 5, the absolute value of that, plus 6. So from left to right, tell me what's happening. The parent function is going to be the absolute value of x. Then the negative one's on the outside, so it's reflect over the x-axis. The plus 5 is on the inside, so it's opposite of what you think. So that means it's going to go to the left 5 units. And then this is going to go up 6 units. And that is all you have to do tonight for homework.